Today I'm gonna show y'all how we do it to make some tacos on the comal. These are the ingredients we're gonna use today. It's nothing fancy. We're limited to supplies right now, so gotta work with what we got. We'll make it happen. We got some cheese from the kitchen too. Some butter for tortillas. We'll heat them up. Now that we have everything diced up, that we needed to dice up, we're gonna mix all of this stuff together so we can cook it up. Now that we have everything mixed up, we're gonna put some boiling water into it. Just cook it up. Let the water boil. That's what we call a hot shot. It's boiling the water right now. So now that we have everything cooked and ready to whip up these tacos, we get to the last but not the least part. We're gonna get ready to put these tortillas on the comal and toast them up. There's a plate right there. This is how we're doing it over here. There's the heat in the back. Put a little bit of butter. Tortilla butter. So you got your tortillas toasted up, put the beans on it. Now we're melting the cheese on there. Get that melted cheese. And we just put the food on there. Gotta be careful you don't burn yourself. And there you go, you got your taco nice and toasted. Melted cheese, beans. So there y'all have it, these little tacos right here. Already done. Ya sabes, pura vida salvaje.